Today in front of me I have Vivo Y16, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. So first of all, you've got to make sure that Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth are enabled. Then among the notification center shortcuts, find the nearby share icon. Here it is. Tap and hold onto it. Let me quickly turn it off. So that's the state that you will find it in while trying to set it up for the first time. So in here, tap on the switch, use nearby share switch. Then in here you might have the add or verify option, which you want to tap on as well. Then you'll be able to also change the device name, which I'll change to HardReset Vivo. Then change the device visibility mode, so you can make it hidden, make it visible only to the contacts that are nearby or to anybody that is in range. Next, you can also change the data transfer mode to make it so that the nearby share function is allowed to use mobile data, only Wi-Fi or only Bluetooth. Now, once the nearby share is enabled and set up, let's try to receive some file through it. So I have this little Nokia in front of me. So I'll try to send some photo from it to my Vivo Y16. First of all, let me quickly find the gallery app. Here it is. So I'll try to share this little photo. So more, nearby, share. Wait until we will discover our Vivo. Here it is. Then tap on it. Next, accept on the receiver's end. Accept. Wait until the picture gets transferred. And that would be it. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your attention. And bye-bye.